Welcome. So what I'd like to do is kind of go through a little bit of basics of how to label a line segment, and a ray. Because this is, as you kind of progress through your geometry course, this comes up a lot. And we want to make sure that we kind of have a basic understanding of exactly the difference between these three, and as well as how to write them down. So the first point, you can see we all have points A and B. And remember, a point does not have a size, but it just represents kind of like a location. Well, in each of the case of a line, a ray, or a line segment, those are made up infinite many points. All right? And what we have is these arrows, and that is to represent that the points are going to continue in one direction. So if you have an infinite set of points that all lie along like this kind of line here, and they extend indefinitely, that means they're going to continue going in this direction and continue going that direction, we call that a line. Now, to represent a line, we basically are just going to pick 2 points. And it doesn't matter if you have a third point. C, you just need to pick 2 points to represent a line. And so we'll just use, usually we're going to use capital letters. And we'll just do A, B, and then we'll kind of write a line right above. The next one is, you can see here, is now we're only extending in one direction. So we're kind of starting at A, and then we're extending indefinitely to the right. But we're not going any farther to the left past A. So this is what we call a ray. And in the same respect, even if you have another point, C or D or whatever, because there's infinite many points. But all we need to do is choose 2 points. In this case, let's just choose A and B again. A and B. And then we're just going to create a nice little ray up top. And then last but not least is what we call a line segment. And this is going to be basically the one way to kind of easy to remember this is you don't have any extension going in either direction. So you kind of have like your 2 endpoints. And typically when we're dealing with a line segment, we want to deal with the the endpoints of your line. So you can see A and B would be our 2 endpoints. And then we'll just do A and B, and then we'll just draw a line with no arrows up top. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the basics for a line, a ray, and a line segment, as well as how to label them. Thanks.